Okay, Mr. Balun.
As the court, please, my lord, the matter stood down yesterday for the continuation of the proceedings today.
Are you ready?
Yes, we don't see Mr. Sifiso Zungu. We don't know if he's outside.
Just check if he's outside or not.
Let's please the court, my lord. He could not be outside because he's unable to attend court today. He sent me a medical certificate.
Is that?
I'm saying he is not outside.
Yeah.
He's not here at court at all.
What's the reason?
He sent me a medical certificate.
Medical certificate?
Yes.
What does it say?
I thought I would have been afforded the opportunity
fine.
to address court.
Okay, fine.
Yes. I wish to hand it over to the court. I don't know as an exhibit or as a proof that yesterday.
Read it into the record.
That yesterday he attended. He consulted a medical practitioner by the name of Dr. Mushi P. Sepamla. And there's a diagnosis there, and the doctor then states in the certificate that he having seen him yesterday, which was the 3rd of December 2025, the return date would be the 5th of December 2025. In other words, the doctor would still want to see him tomorrow, being the 5th day of December 2025. And that, according to the doctor, as it is inscribed here, Mr. Sifiso Zungu will be able, or he will resume duties on the 8th of December 2025. And the certificate is dated yesterday, the 3rd of December 2025.
What's the diagnosis?
I'm not so sure, my lord, if I need to read it.
No, is there a diagnosis there?
Yes, there's a diagnosis.
Can I have a look at it?
Yes, thank
Otherwise,
you.
it's believer. There are doctors who sell medical certificates. We all know that.
No, I don't know that.
Now, all of us in South Africa know that. All of us in South Africa.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know, but all of us in South Africa do know. Okay. Mr. Umar, you don't know that. You're an officer of this court. You don't know that.
No, I haven't heard about that.
You have never heard of that?
No, I never had, never.
Ignorance, 'tis bliss. What does Shakespeare say? 'Tis bliss. You've read Shakespeare?
The?
Shakespeare, have you read it?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
I've read it. Yes, thank you.
Moshe Sepamla. He says he's got tension, migraine, headache. And then he says this gentleman will resume duties on the 8th of December 2025. And he requests to attend, I suppose, medical attention by the same doctor on the 5th of December 2025. Okay, fine. You want to have a look at this to the state? So what's the state's view?
Well, my lord, the court has ruled that Mr. Sifiso Zungu should be present when the matter is argued, but if everyone is prepared to dispense with his presence, we can then
Yes,
argue, depending on
yeah, fine, okay.
the inputs by my colleagues.
Mr. Mnisi, what's your...
As it is a court, my lord, would also have argued that there's nothing that would stop this argument from proceeding on account of the fact that there's no input that Mr. Zungu would have actually, or any contribution in this argument that would have come from Mr. Zungu. So his absence, I don't think, should be a hindrance to the hearing of these arguments.
Okay, that's here, Mr. Ramsepe.
As the court proceeds, my lord, I share the same sentiments as Mr. Minister.
Thank you, my lord. I'm also of the same view. Thank you. That we can proceed in his absence.
Okay, fine. The court differs from all your views. Isn't Mr. Zungu is a witness in this case. He has an interest to protect. But because of the protection which has been caused by the drama in this court, the court is going to order that in terms of section 159 of the CPA, the Criminal Procedure Act, this case should proceed in the meantime. And when Mr. Zungu comes back, the whole evidence which has been relayed in this court, together with whatever documents have been handed up, he will be having full access to those. Okay, but it's incorrect to say that he won't participate. That's not the letter of the law. I can quote the case of State versus Pillay. Case where there was a the former Chief Justice Mpati, Mtata, and Davis. I'm not sure about Davis, but it was a case which concerned that huge robbery in Durban where they stole about 34 million rands and where somebody was arrested and promised that he won't be charged if he complies and gives evidence for the state. He was subsequently charged and he made a statement, and the police unlawfully or illegally tapped her phone, this Indian lady, and they discovered that there was money, the takings of the robbery. That's the mint, were hidden in the roof. Okay, amongst others, that's what the case says. So Mr. Zungu will have access and knowledge of what transpired, and if he wants to get involved with his counsel, he should. More particularly that Mr. Zungu, you must recall, was a Section 204 witness. I don't know whether the state is subsequently going to charge him or not. There's a possibility, perhaps. That's why these interests must be safeguarded. And that case pertinently says that as long as there's no prejudice, if the state recharges him now as a 204 after having given evidence for Mr. Zungu Jr., his interests must not be prejudiced, they must be protected. Okay. Right, let's hear.
Nizobona ke kunencwadi ebihanjiswa ke la incwadi yakhe uSifiso Zungu Gwabini eshoyo ke ukuthi ebeyobona udokotela izolo, udokotela ushilo ukuthi angeke abe nako ukuthi eze enkantolo namuhla ngoba ke usamlindele nakusasa uthi eze kuyena azombona, ngokuthi ke udokotela ngokusho kwakhe uZungu uzokona ukuthi abuyele enkantolo ngomsombuluko ngazo i8 kuDisemba inkantolo yasinika umshushisi kanye nabameli ithuba lokuthi ke bathini ke bona kungaqhutshekwa yini noma kulindelwe yena uZungu bonke ke baye bavumelana ukuthi cha kungaqhutshekwa kodwa bisithi inkantolo iyahluka ke yona kuloko ngoba ke kufanele ukuthi ke ngabe abe khona ke kodwa inkantolo isingasho kwamanje ukuthi ngabe qhubeka ke kodwa uma esekhona esebuyile uzokona ke ukuthi noma uzokwazi ke ukuthi konke okushiwo namhlanje noma kukhulunyiwe akwaziswe.
Yes, Mr. Okay. Yes, Mr. Baloyi, let's comment, please.
As a court, please, perhaps just before we proceed, the court referred to section 159.
Is it 159?
That section refers to an accused person. I've been looking at section 187 and 188.
Fine.
The witness to attend proceedings and to remain in attendance.
Yeah, right.
So the applicable sections would
It's
be
187 and, yeah.
187 and
The
188.
159 is for the accused person.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
I think the only proviso will be that the witness is then excused for
Yeah, for the period
the
is away.
period that is indisposed.
Yeah, but like I say, his status is not of only a witness. He's made a statement in terms of section 205. Also, if you read that judgment of delay, there's a possibility that he may be charged. I don't know.